In this video, you'll learn how to integrate WordPress with Zoho CRM using Zapier. By the end of this guide, you will have set up a seamless connection that allows data to flow between your WordPress site and Zoho CRM. Begin by navigating to the Zapier homepage. You can type zapier.com into your browser's address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, you will see the Zapier logo, along with various options to create and manage your integrations. Next, locate and click on the Create button found prominently on the homepage. This action will redirect you to the section where you can start building new automation workflows, often referred to as Zaps. After that, click on the Zaps link in the navigation menu. This will take you to a page displaying all your existing Zaps. If this is your first time using Zapier, this area may be empty, which is perfectly fine. Now in the search bar, type Zoho to WordPress and press enter. This search will help you find pre-existing templates or ideas for your integration, making it easier to start building your own. Once the search results appear, click on the option that says Start Building. At this point, you may notice a loading screen as Zapier prepares your workspace for creating the integration. This process might take a little while, so be patient. You will see a progress indicator that shows the status of your setup, confirming that Zapier is working on loading the next steps. When the interface is ready, find and click on the Zoho CRM application. This selection will direct you to a new screen where you can configure your triggers and actions for the integration. Next, click on the Trigger Event drop-down menu. You will then see a list of available events that can initiate actions in Zoho CRM. Select New Lead as your trigger event. This choice means that the integration will start whenever a new lead is created in Zoho CRM. Then click on New Lead again to confirm your selection. You should see a confirmation screen indicating that this step has been successfully set up. Now find and click on WordPress from the list of applications available. This action will switch your focus to the WordPress side of the integration. After that, click on the Action Event drop down. This will open a menu where you can choose what action to take within WordPress based on the trigger you set up. Select Create Post from the list of action events. This option allows you to create a new post on your WordPress site whenever a new lead is added in Zoho CRM. Once again, click on Create Post to confirm your action selection. You will see a confirmation that your action has been set successfully. Next, click on the Accounts section. This step is crucial as it allows you to connect your WordPress account to Zapier for the integration to function correctly. Then click on Connect WordPress. A prompt will appear asking for your WordPress site URL and login credentials. Ensure that you have this information ready to continue. After entering the necessary details, follow any prompts to authenticate and authorize the connection. This step is important to ensure that Zapier can access your WordPress account securely. Once you complete the authentication process, you will be directed back to the Zapier interface, where you can finalize your integration settings. Make sure to review all configurations for accuracy before proceeding. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.